Hello, welcome to our session regarding VAT reversal. So as you are all aware that on the 1st of September 2020, we were allowed as businesses to reduce our VAT rate from 23% to 21%. And with that, the reversal of that has come about on the 1st of March this year. So just to remind you that you must ensure that your systems are changed accordingly. So for your Sage 50, if you go into Settings, Configuration, go to your tax code tab, you'll see that your original T1 is still 23% and available to you. And if we just recap, we had recommended a T39. So if you're still using T39 at 21%, then you can see in there, you don't need to change anything in here, but just ensure that you've got those tax codes available to you. So what we need to ensure is that, for instance, our customer's default tax code is changed. So I have a filter here prepared earlier. So I'm looking for where the default tax code is equal to T39 of the customer list that I have. So if I apply that, you will see that the list has changed from 4 customers to 2. And this is easy if you only had 2 customers to change, but obviously in most companies that's not the case. So I'm going to use a quick way here. Click swap, go to under new and edit, go to my batch changes, go into the default tab and go down to T1. And what that will do is that will change all customers highlighted in the list behind here and allow me to change in one click to T1. So if we have a look here, if I clear my filter of my 4 customers back, if I apply the filter again, looking for the T39s, click on apply, you will see no customer has come back. So what you need to do is you need to ensure that you apply the same rules for your suppliers and the same ones for your products. Now you'll also note that there's other VAT changes I'll refer to in a moment. But one thing to ensure is if you have any open quotations or sales orders that have not been processed and are going to be dated after the 1st of March, you must ensure that you've changed those manually as well. The other area to be very careful, which you can miss, is under your invoicing module, is the recurring invoices. So we have a number of areas to be very mindful on where you need to change. We have also got an article on our website there that goes through all these changes from reversing. So you'll see here that we've noted some other tax codes that may need to be changed. Not mandatory on all systems, but it's certainly to be mindful that you may need to change those. Thank you very much for listening and best of luck with the reversal.